Hello, hi everyone, I'm Husaini Johari. Today my team and I are going to present to you the Velvet.co. The objective of this assignment is for us to gain comprehensive understanding of financial accounting and reporting principle applied in real life, in real world, in real business. That's why we pick the Velvet.co. The research methodology that we use is we interviewed the business owner as well as we analyze the financial statements of the business. The outcomes that we gain from this are deeper understanding of financial concepts, enhanced analytical skill, as well as improved presentation skills. The limitations that our team face are time constraint, limited access to detailed financial information due to PNC, as well as potential biases in interview data. Let's talk about the Velvet.co backgrounds. The business name is Lemon Velvet Resources. It was owned by a single owner, which makes it sole proprietorship. It was established on 2018 on 8th of June. It was located in Johor Bahru at Nong Chik Riverside. They are focusing on F&B, food and beverages industry. The sub-niche is pastries and cake. Their unique selling proposition is bespoke cakes with halal ingredient. They are targeting cakes lovers and their key products is wedding cakes.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfai Shafina. My student ID is 2024476226. So I'm here to explain and present about business characteristics for the Velvet.co. So today, the business is operate as a sole proprietorship, meaning it's owned and managed by a single entity or person. In this case, it's managed by a husband and wife. Second is registration. The business is registered with Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia (SSM), still under the name is Lemon Velvet Resources. So this indicates compliance with some Malaysian business regulation lah. So third is a capital source. The business capital come from the owner savings and a loan from the banks. So this is suggesting a mix of personal and external fundings. Okay, so fourth is a type of liability. The business has liabilities such as account payable, which refer to the money owed to supplier or creditor, and next is a profit. So profit for this business, the Velvet.co is a net profit is a 10,000, which is every month. So next is 5 establishment dates. This business was established on 8 June 2018, marking the date its officially operations. Okay, so that's all from my part in a business characteristics. So I will pass to the next presenter for explain their part. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Hafizi bin Muhammad Osman. My ID number 2024675136. So today I've present for qualification of the business item. Firstly, we present about asset divided by 2, have a current asset and non-current assets. For the current asset, have a bank and inventory. So bank, the value of bank have a 31,000, inventory have a 20,000. So total for the current asset is 51,000. And then non-current asset have a floor mixer and a chiller. So first floor mixer 4,000, chiller 8,000, and total 12,000. So next, owner equity. Owner equity capital 250,000, and the revenue sale if per month for 70,000. So next, liability for account payable 3,000, and the expenses salary 2,000, utility 2,000, and purchase of goods 20,000. So total for expenses 24,000. So that's all for clarification of business item.
Hello and hi everyone, my name is Shazri Imran bin Abdul Aziz. I will be presenting you guys accounting cycle of the business. So basically there are 6 steps that business should follow within the accounting cycle. The first one is source of document. Second one is journal entries followed by general ledger. Then trial balance and accounting adjustment, and last but not least is the financial statements. So the first one is source of document. Source of document act as a proof of transaction. So basically every transaction occur within the business, they will be documented. There are multiple documents that we can find within the business, such as the typical one is invoices, credit note, purchase order, bank statement, and etc. Secondly, journal entries. All transactions will be recorded in a journal by using double entry bookkeeping. By recorded all the transaction within the journal, it will provide a clear and organized history of financial activities within the business. As for the Velvet Cafe, the owner delegates the task to one staff that they trust to record all these transactions. The third one is general ledger. After the journal entries is done, then it will be posted to the general ledger. Basically, the general ledger consists of summarize of all transactions related to a specific account in one place. This allows for easy tracking of account, balance, and activity within the business. The fourth one is trial balance. This trial balance will be prepared by the owner of Velvet Cafe. This trial balance basically lists of all the debit and credit balance from the general ledger. The goal is to ensure all transactions have been recorded properly by the staff or the owner itself. At the end of the process, they should get a balance amount on the debit and credit side. The fifth one is accounting adjustment. Accounting adjustment, it made to account for transactions that haven't been recorded yet or need to be updated. These accounting adjustments are very important in order to ensure the revenue and expenses are being recognized in the correct accounting period. As for the Velvet Cafe, the owner said usually they will account for accrued expenses for the utility bills, as the utility bill usually comes later. Even though the bills not yet billed, the expenses must be recognized in the current accounting period. Last but not least, preparation of financial statement. As for the Velvet Cafe, the accounting period ends as at 31st of December. Hence, the owner, featuring also the accountant, will prepare the financial statements once all the adjusting entries to the trial balance has been made. This financial statement is very crucial to the business, as from here, they will know how the performance of the business going on throughout the year, and also what is the financial position for the business. This is also important for them to make a further decision making on the next accounting cycle of the business. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Siti Nurul Nabila binti Sahari, and today I want to present about part D, the strength and weakness for the Velvet Cafe for recording process that Shazri Imran already explained in part E. After discussion with the ownership in Google meeting, we can see that the Velvet Cafe also have a strength and weaknesses. And the first strength that we know is organized and accurate process. The accounting cycle provide a clear and systematic way to record and manage financial statement to ensure the accuracy. And the second one is help with decision making. By preparing financial statement, it help business and understand their performance and make informed decision. And the third one is compliance with regulation. They keeping proper the financial statement for 7 years with legal and professional. That's the strength. So we move to the weaknesses. The Velvet Cafe have 4 weaknesses. The first one is time consuming. Time consuming is completing all the step manual take a lot of time, especially for business with many transactions. And the second one is error can affect result. Mistake in one step like a journal entries can carry forward and accounts incorrect in financial statement. And the third one is difficult for non-expert. People without an adequate experience background may struggle to understand and apply the process incorrectly. And the last one is risk of missing adjustment. Important adjustment like accurate expenses may be overlooked, causing error in reporting. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, through our analysis of the Velvet.co, we gain valuable insight regarding the business. Key takeaways are importance of financial records. Well-maintained records are crucial for decision making and tax compliance. And secondly, the impact of accounting method. The choice of accounting methods by the business owner can significantly affect financial statement of the company. Last but not least, challenges and opportunities. Small businesses face unique challenges depending on their industries, but also have the opportunities for growth and profitability depending on the decision made by the business owner. That's all from us. Thank you.